Hello, this is JD from Tech Canvas, and in this video we will try and understand the costs involved in PMP certification. Keep in mind the costs here are mentioned for US and India. Please check your local resources for the costs in your country. So, is the PMP exam fees the only cost for your exam? Not really. You need to invest in other resources as well. You need the 35 hours prep course, you also need a PMI membership, and you need a good prep guide. Let us go through them one by one. The 35 hours prep course. This is a prerequisite for applying PMP and you do not need it if you have a CAPM certification. Make sure your provider is an authorized training partner with PMI. So how much does a 35-hour prep course cost you? It costs you around $2,000 in US and in India it should cost you around 15,000 rupees. Couple of more points on the 35-hour prep course. Make sure your provider gives you a question bank for practice. It will be good to have a couple of mock tests for you to simulate the actual PMP exam. And finally, it will also be good to have certain memorization tools like flashcards and puzzles for you to memorize various PMP topics. You would also be needing a PMI membership. But why do you need a PMI membership? Because the membership gets you a good discount on your PMP exam. You would also get access to various project management resources like documentation and templates. On top of that, you get a free soft copy of the PMBOK guide. PMBOK guide happens to be one of the major reference guides for your PMP exam. Finally, you would be able to network with project management community associated with PMI. So how much does a PMI membership cost you? In US it costs you around $139 and in India it should cost you around 10,000 rupees. You would also be needing a good prep guide. Why do you need a prep guide? Because the PMBOK guide by itself is not enough for you to prepare for a PMP exam. You would be needing a good prep guide that can help you evaluate chapter wise. Make sure the prep guide you purchase covers the latest PMBOK edition. So how much does a prep guide cost you? In US, a good prep guide can cost you anywhere between $50 to $80. And in India, it should cost you around 4500 rupees. And finally, we'll talk about the PMP exam fees. So how much does the PMP exam cost you? If you hold a PMI membership, it would cost you around $405. If you are not a PMI member, it will cost you around $555. As we discussed earlier, the PMI membership costs you $139. You can clearly see that you save around $11 by purchasing a PMI membership and then applying for the exam. Considering you have PMI membership, the exam would cost you $405 in US and in India it should cost you around 23,500 rupees. So how much does the total cost come to? Keep in mind it all depends on your choice of prep training institute, the fees they charge you and the cost of the prep guide you purchase. In US, your total PMP cost including preparation should cost you around $2,600 and in India it should cost you around 53,000 rupees. Is that the end? Not really. You need to renew your PMP certification once in every 3 years. So how much does the renewal cost you? For PMI members it costs you around $60 and for non-members it costs you around $150. You also need to submit 60 PDUs of project management education every 3 years to maintain the PMP credential. Considering you have PMI membership in US, the renewal fees of PMP is $60 and in India it is around 3,475 rupees. So what do we do at Tech Canvas? We are an authorized training partner for PMP exam. We give you the 35-hour PMP training that you are looking for. We also have a question bank with 1700 plus questions for you to practice. We also have the full-length simulation exams for you to mock the actual exam. And finally, we have flashcards and crossword puzzles which you can use to memorize various PMP topics. If you are looking to get certified in PMP, you can reach out to us. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.